Hello everyone. Winter fashion we often ignore. I know क्योंकि इस time पे what comes into priority is to keep yourself protected from winters. But what if I say that you can be cozy and again keep a check on your fashion game? That's what we are going to talk about in this video. Some add-ons that you should make into your closet to up your winter fashion game and your winter looks on a daily basis. Also, if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Alisha. I make fashion, fitness and lifestyle videos and I hope I've made 1% of your day. Now without further ado, let's get started. First add-on that you should immediately make into your closet is that of trench coats. I can't exaggerate much on how edgy trench coat looks, and these are basically long thick coats to protect you and make you bear the wintry waves and again look classy at the same time. Also, Aishwarya Rai has majorly shared a lot of classy and edgy trench coat looks and in ए दिल है मुश्किल एंड बहुत ज़्यादा स्मार्ट लग रहा था. वी कैन टेक अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम देयर टू एंड ऑल्सो ट्रेंच कोट्स आर हेयर टू स्टे. सो इफ you are spending say 1500 to 2000 on a trench coat, it'll be worth it because you can style it in trillion of ways, be it for your parties or for your normal day outs. I have 2-3 trench coats मेरा और मम्मी का मिला के. We have got some checkered trench coats and recently हमारे पास एक ये trench coat भी आया है which is this oxblood red color and एकदम soft सा है and I'm dying to style it in a lot of ways. Yeah, I'm loving it. Oversized hoodies are just the best thing that Pinterest and Instagram has brought in front of us because these days we can see a lot of cool girl winter looks on Pinterest which has something or the other to do with oversized hoodies, and as we all very well know that hoodies can protect you from winters a lot. And again, अगर आप bright color के oversized hoodies लेते हो then your winters are sorted in terms of your fashion because हम लोग winters में थोड़ा off color पहनते हैं. अगर bright color पहनते हैं तो that will look stylish on the next level. And I have two oversized hoodies. One is this in lavender color. This is a little oversized, but the other one is really oversized. It's in this gorgeous pink color. Both of them are from Amazon and बहुत ज़्यादा budget friendly है, so definitely give them a shot. Fresh entry to the add-on list is this crochet bralette, or you can call it a crop top, and this is actually used to accessorize your winter looks or to elevate your fashion. But again, it won't protect you from winters truly, but yes, it will make you look different from others, and you can wear it and you can carry a blazer over it, or you can style it in a number of ways. And these days, like, these bralettes are like picking up a lot because they're completely different from the bralettes that we actually wear, and you can easily find such pieces on Urbanic, Myntra and on a lot of Insta pages क्योंकि आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा famous हो रहा है. Again, you can get a lot of crochet cord set, so that is the new thing. Next and the most multi-purpose thing apart from my whole self in this video is turtlenecks, or what we call high neck sweaters. And I know high neck sweaters, turtlenecks हम सबके पास होता है किसी न किसी एक color में because they are the most versatile things whenever it comes to winter fashion. उसको हम लोग बहुत तरीके से use कर सकते हैं. We can wear it like it is, or we can do a lot of things in terms of layering. And winters में in general हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा layering करते हैं, and wearing a turtleneck as the first layer makes a lot of difference because they are foam and fitted. I have 3 turtlenecks, one in sand color, white color and black color, very basic colors, and I create a lot of looks using them. Last add-on, or the most trustable piece for winters, are blazers, and I think blazers are the best investment. If you are spending your money on blazers, बहुत ज़्यादा help होगा because you can style it in a lot of ways, and again वो बहुत लंबे समय तक चलता भी है, so it's always a good option to invest in your money in something like that. And आप ऐसे blazers के help से आप अपने formal looks create कर सकते हो, or in fact you can use it as a cover up for your party outfits like your dresses or something like that. And blazers बहुत सारे कलर में रखना is a good thing, but again for now you can start out with the basic colors like white color or black color or brown color because they can be worn in a lot of ways with a lot of your pieces. So that's that. So that's pretty much about the video. I hope you all enjoyed and found this helpful, and this video को बनाने का purpose यही था because in the coming week we are going to attend a lot of New Year parties, Christmas parties, so it will help you definitely. Give this video a thumbs up and please comment down your video requests, your suggestions, everything. Follow me on Instagram @_Alisha180_, and please subscribe. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Tata!